How to remove community guidelines violation TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application. As you can see on the screen, I've already launched the TikTok application and I've tapped on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen and it will give the option of settings and privacy, so tap on it. As you tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and here you can see the option of report a problem. Tap on it and as you tap on report a problem, it will land us to a new page. So you can simply tap on report a problem and then swipe up and select on chat with us at the bottom of the screen. Now as you tap on chat with us, you'll be able to land on a new page where you can simply communicate your issue about removing community guidelines violation on your TikTok. So you can simply describe an issue that you're facing certain community violation over here and you'd want TikTok to help you remove the violations and help you to continue or have your account without any violation. Then you can just wait for the response from the TikTok team and they'll definitely respond to you. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.